For-profit and non-profit Las Vegas thrift stores. Introduction. I have been going to thrift stores in Las Vegas, Nevada for more than 30 years. From my experience as a bargain hunter, I wanted to look at the pros and cons of for-profit and non-profit Las Vegas, Nevada thrift stores. Two types of Las Vegas thrift stores. For-profit thrift stores. For-profit Las Vegas thrift stores can be owned by corporations or individuals, and they use the money earned in whatever way they choose. Non-profit thrift stores. There seems to be many non-profit thrift stores operating like charities that give the money earned to a variety of Las Vegas charities and causes. Let's look at the pros and cons of both for-profit and non-profit thrift stores in Las Vegas, Nevada. Pros of for-profit thrift stores in Las Vegas. Pro number 1, often have a large selection of items to shop for. Pro number 2, different ownership formats by corporations or private owners offer a variety of experiences. Pro number 3, better organized items by color and size in larger for-profit thrift stores. Pro number 4, better advertised specials such as Color Tag of the Day or 50% off Mondays. Cons of for-profit thrift stores in Las Vegas. Con number 1, some items are priced at full retail prices, if you are in the thrift store on a non-sale day. Con number 2, some individually owned for-profit thrift stores may have a small selection of items and inventory. Con number 3, there may be a limited or no return policy on electronics or knickknacks at for-profit thrift stores, so please check return policies. Con number 4, pricing of two similar items may vary as employees are not always aware of how they are marking items. Pros of nonprofit thrift stores in Las Vegas. Pro number 1, there may be higher quality items in some thrift stores run by parents of a private high school that are donated by affluent families. Pro number 2, some nonprofit thrift stores do good things as they give money to schools, charities, and animal shelters. Pro number 3, other nonprofit thrift stores provide job training and educational opportunities for thrift store workers. Pro number 4, some nonprofit thrift stores have markdown or sale days, but the customer may need to call and ask about the sales as they are not always well advertised. Cons of nonprofit thrift stores in Las Vegas. Con number 1, some nonprofit thrift stores are small with limited merchandise and limited parking. Con number 2, open shorter hours and sometimes less days than for-profit thrift stores. Con number 3, clothes and shoes are not always organized by color and size, so the customer may need more time to shop. Con number 4, prices in nonprofit thrift stores are not always marked, so the customer may need to ask the price of many items. Overview. There are pros and cons of both for-profit and nonprofit thrift stores in Las Vegas, Nevada. The thrift customer may want to consider what types of thrift store experiences fit his or her personal needs and wants,